Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel gchealth.com. Today we will discuss about Medicare supplement insurance plan and what is the benefit of this policy. A look at the Medicare supplement insurance plan and its benefits. Friends, today it is vital to take health insurance as it offers so many benefits, the foremost being that in the event of any circumstance by which the main earning member of the family can no longer provide for dependents, money from the policy can use the pay for immediate and unavoidable cost. Medical costs are high and they can make a significant damper on saving, so avoid such problems by opting for medical insurance in Texas, USA. Friends, while there are many comprehensive health care policies available in Medicare, still they might opt out of a few coverage benefits. Look into supplemental plans to gain extended coverage and cut down medical expenses even further. Out of the many available, a key supplemental plan is the one offered. Medicare supplement insurance plan offered by United Healthcare Insurance. Those who want to avail it must be a member, and it is to be noted that it is a supplemental plan, one that can be used to enhance the benefits offered by existing Medicare coverage. Hence, those who feel that they gain from their Medicare policy is not enough will find it to be a good addition to what they already have. Here is a look at some important points of this plan. Plan enrollment requires that you already have a Medicare policy, else have become 65 years of age. Policyholder can take treatment with any doctor who accepts Medicare. Plan combined with Medicare Part D to bring down medical costs. Plans coverage accepted all across the United States. There is no need to get any referrals to enroll into this plan. After you have taken it, there is no policy cancellation or premium increase. It is not connected to the US government or federal Medicare program. Best Medicare supplemental insurance. Under Medicare supplement insurance, there are many plans such as Plan A, B, C, F, G, K, and N. It is to be noted that those who have Social Security benefits are automatically enrolled into Medicare. Once a person has reached 65 years of age, there is an open enrollment period for buying the supplemental plan, which is for a period of 6 months. If you are to take this plan within that period, the insurer cannot take into consideration any existing medical conditions. The aim of this plan is to be basically cover those out-of-pocket expenses that are not taken care of by Medicare. While Medicare insurance offers comprehensive coverage like nothing else, it is to be noted that it may not provide for certain expenses by the United Healthcare, which when born can become difficult, particularly when you are a senior age in life, wherein income is very limited. What is the best Medicare supplement insurance plan? In this case, with the help of supplemental insurance plans, such expenses can subsidize through its compensation. Check out the many Medicare supplement insurance plans available and select one that offers the kind of benefits that you want and which come within your budget. Medicare insurance plan is available in NY, TXFL, NEGA, CN, NCTN, IL, NJIL, USA. If you want to get quotes, you have to visit the gchealth.com and check out the quotes by various popular companies of USA. If you have any comment regarding this video, please write in the comment section.